PAX Gold may register a 1.2% uptick tomorrow, Traders Union suggests. First, let's take a closer look at today's market behavior. PAX Gold has moved 0.3% lower since yesterday and is now around $5,178. Here's today's set of expert forecasts. According to Digital Coin Price, the asset may drift down to $5,161.57 by February 27, a decrease of nearly 0.3%. PAX Gold could advance toward $5,186.60, according to Coin Data Flow, approximately 0.2% up. According to Coin Price forecast, it might push toward $5,202, a potential increase close to 0.5%. Another forecast by Traders Union expects PAX Gold might lift to $5,238.40, a potential gain of 1.2%. To conclude, Crypto Predictions puts the target at $5,264.17 by tomorrow, a gain of 1.7%. It's the most rewarding forecast in the list. All 5 takes are in. Let's shift ahead. After reviewing the predictions, let's examine the numbers. From the full spread of predictions, the potential movement in price lies between a decline of 0.3% and a rise of 1.7%, depending on the analyst. In short, Crypto Predictions has the highest projected return with 1.7% gain in value by February 27. Looking at the numbers, you could earn between $2 and $17 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering market volatility, CoinDataFlow's forecast leads with a 74.6% probability of success. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've formed a consensus picture. Aggregated predictions show PAX Gold around $5,210.55. Alright, let's see what's inside. Consensus numbers show a 0.6% rise by tomorrow. Put another way, your capital could also increase by around 0.6%. A 1,000 allocation could potentially bring about $6 in return. Consensus modeling suggests that the probability of this forecast materializing is 70.6%. Let's briefly shift to the 3-day horizon and see what analysts project. Digital Coin Price expects PAX Gold to move higher over the coming days. CoinDataFlow expects losses to extend. A positive outlook is shared by Coin Price forecast, pointing to more gains. Also, Traders Union expects PAX Gold to rise over the next few days. An upward path is likewise anticipated by Crypto Predictions. According to the consensus, PAX Gold is set to stay in line with current levels. Summing it up, the balance of forecast is bullish, with PAX Gold likely to follow a rising course. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Now it's time for some fact-checking. As a result, the day's closing figure was $5,173.10. With this result, the majority were right about the move. If accuracy is a measure, then Digital Coin Price came out on top. Let's put everything in order. 2 forecasts were inside yesterday's candle span. As for ROI, a few analysts were in the green, while CoinCodex led with 1%. Now appearing on screen is the full results overview, all forecasts fact-checked. From the table, Gov Capital Collector reached minus 0.7% ROI and $41.08 accuracy. Take a moment and think, who came closest this time? Let's move on and check how tomorrow's predicted income compares for PAX Gold and other selected assets. According to forecasts, PAX Gold stands fourth, while Tron holds first with 1.2%. At this point, PAX Gold is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The complete comparison and long-term analyst performance statistics will be available soon on my website and Telegram. If you don't want to spend hours tracking analysts yourself, hit subscribe and get updates right here. See you in the next update.